Traditional tiling can be dirty, messy and time-consuming. Imagine a new tiling system that dispenses with traditional adhesive. A system where you can attach ceramic wall tiles quickly and securely, and change designs more frequently. Welcome to the future of tiling. Welcome to Cristalgrip by Johnson Tiles. Using a roll of Cristalgrip self-adhesive wall sheet, simply measure and cut the correct length for your wall, and apply using a similar technique to applying wallpaper. The wall sheet can be attached to a specially designed Cristalgrip spirit level to make the application process easy. Peel back a section of release liner along the top edge of the wall sheet. Finger lift edges on the fabric have been designed to simplify the peeling of the release liner. Paper clips can be used to hold the release liner in position. The surface of the wall must be dry, smooth and dust-free. Using the spirit level, the wall sheet can be positioned accurately. Apply to the top of the wall and allow the remaining section to hang vertically. Then peel back the release liner while smoothing the wall sheet onto the wall using the Cristalgrip application bar. The wall sheet is waterproof, and when combined with the tanking tape, it provides a fully waterproof solution for bathrooms and wet rooms. The reverse of the blue tanking tape is supplied pre-glued and scored down the centre to enable easy installation into awkward corners. Ensure that all joints are sealed when fixing around shower trays, including sealing the gap between wall and tray. For use around taps and pipes, cut a short section, measure the pipe diameter and cut a hole into the tanking tape. Apply the short section of tape around the pipe. In this instance, hang the wall sheet to the wall without releasing the liner until you have checked the position of the pipe and cut a hole to fit. The hole doesn't need to be accurately cut because the tanking tape has already been fitted. Once in place, smooth onto the wall to ensure a fully waterproof installation. The Cristalgrip wall tile backing is supplied in rolls containing 1 square metre and is available in multiple widths to suit different tile sizes. The tile surface must be dry and dust-free before applying the wall tile backing. Each wall tile backing width has been designed to fit onto the back of a specific range of tile sizes. Simply choose the appropriate width for your tile size and cut the required length. Peel back the finger lift edge, fold the paper back and apply to the top of the tile. Continue to peel back the release liner while smoothing the remaining wall tile backing onto the tile, applying even pressure to achieve optimum bond strength. When using tiles with a structured back, the Cristalgrip roller should be used across the entire surface area to obtain the required bond strength between the wall tile backing and tile surface. The wall sheet is covered with thousands of tiny hooks which grab onto the loop fabric on the back of the tile. Fix the spirit level to the wall and simply place the tile in position. Apply a light pressure and the tile is firmly attached to the wall. A pressured circular twist movement will achieve the maximum bond strength between the mushroom-shaped hook and lasso-shaped loop components. The toolkit contains 2 new styles of spacer bar designed specifically for the Cristalgrip system. These 2 different spacer bars cater for different fixing layouts, including brick bonding. They are easy to handle and have been designed to fit on top of a tile whilst the next tile is placed above. The new spacer bars are designed to be used repeatedly during the installation process. Therefore, traditional spacer pegs should be used to retain positioning after each tile is fixed. Unlike traditional adhesive fixing, Cristalgrip allows you to proceed in any direction and try different layouts and designs without worrying about adhesive drying times. A feature of the system is that tiles can be removed simply and rapidly using the Cristalgrip Tile Removal Trowel. This means tiles can easily be rearranged to alter a design or feature. Tiles can be reused or replaced with something different. This can all be achieved simply and quickly. The tiles are easy to cut. Simply cut the tile as normal, turn it over, and cut the fabric with a sharp blade. Since you're not waiting for adhesive to set, grout can be applied as soon as the tiles are in position. Just clean with a sponge to finish. For refurbishment projects, there is no need to remove existing tiles. Ensure the surface is clean, dry and dust-free, then simply apply the wall sheet to the existing tiles. Apply the new tiles directly onto the wall sheet. Tiles can be drilled as normal to fit over existing pipework. Grouting can take place immediately, without waiting for adhesive to dry. Clean with a sponge to finish. Holes can be drilled to replace fixtures and fittings, without fear of the grout cracking. The whole process is much quicker, with virtually no noise and no dust, therefore greatly reducing the downtime of the space. Feature walls can create a striking focal point in a room. To keep up with interior trends, Cristalgrip allows you to refresh the look with minimum fuss. Simply remove the existing tiles with the Cristalgrip Tile Removal Trowel. New tiles can then be fixed to the existing wall sheet. As the wall sheet is incredibly durable, this process can be repeated many times for a fabulous new look. Even tiles that have been in place for some time can be easily removed for maintenance and repairs. Simply remove the grout with an oscillating blade multi-tool. Carefully remove the tile using the Cristalgrip Tile Removal Trowel. A single tile can be removed, or an entire area. An access panel can then be cut into the plasterboard to enable repairs to be carried out. Simply apply a piece of wall sheet to the replacement plasterboard and screw in place. Remove the old grout from the edges of the tiles and reinstall the original tiles. Finish by grouting and cleaning as normal. Cristalgrip has a number of important features. Its maximum pull strength means that tiles cannot be removed by direct force, and its maximum shear strength means that tiles won't move from side to side. However, its low peel strength means it can be removed in an instant. And finally, there's no mess. Cristalgrip by Johnson Tiles, the future of tiling.